Alright, for the second transformation, we've got their reflections, and you could think of those as flipping your graph over one axis or another. So for this one, I'm going to use the square root function. So here's my parent function, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 4, 2 are the three main points that you always want to have. If we are going to look at the difference in my reflections, you've got to go slow and recognize that we have a negative on the outside of the operation here, and we also have a negative on the inside. If you're in a hurry, you're going to glance at these and do the same exact reflection for both. So it's important to recognize that if it's out of the operation, that's an x-axis flip. If it's in the operation, that's a y-axis flip. And if you can get that in your head, and for most of us, I think we've seen what a negative x squared graph looks like. It flips it upside down. That helps me to remember because the negative is outside of the operation and it flipped it upside down. So now instead of having my positive square root graph, which I have there, I'm going to take it and I'm going to flip it over the x-axis. So we're going to have 1, -1, and then 4, -2. That would be your reflected negative square root of x graph. Here's my positive square root graph right there. I've just dashed it. Inside the operation is going to flip it across the y-axis. So this one is going to go in the opposite direction. That is my transformation.